Hi everyone, welcome back to SophisticatedK. It's been a minute. It's actually been how much months? I can't even guess how much months since I put out a vlog. And it's been 3 weeks since I put out a video because I've been so busy with my 9 to 5, and I hate that, but I do tell you that it is good to have 7 streams of income. And so I'm working, I'm doing my books, I'm doing so much things, and so I haven't had a chance to put out a video. But today I'm going out. Hey, I want the world to know. No, I'm joking, but no, I am going out. I'm going to get my eyes tested because I've got rugby shaped eyes, which means I have an astigmatism, which is what they call it. And let me tell you something, it's not a bad thing because I was born with it. It's not as if it happened, it's not as if my eyes got damaged. Like, a lot of people have it and we're born with it anyway. So gonna get my eyes tested, might get new glasses, and actually I'm going out, hey, because it's my friend's birthday. In fact, her birthday's tomorrow, so happy birthday, Martina. But we're going out on December 1st. In actual fact, yeah, we're going out December 1st. Ugh, it stinks. And so I've got to get the last bit of my outfit. I don't know about you, but even when you go raving, yeah, you need to be warm. I have to be warm, so I've got to get the last bits of my outfit. And I think it's going to be hectic because it's Christmas season. People are going to be shopping like maniacs. Yesterday was Black Friday, and even though I'm not in America, England has started doing it too, and they just like whatever. So stay tuned for all of that. And yeah, I'm back. So I just missed the bus, but oh well, everything for a reason. Hi! So I decided to get the bus to go to my appointment, but as a result of seeing a friend, I missed 2 buses. But actually here's another one, so good.
Just being curious, what are you doing?
I vlog.
Vlog?
Vlog, so video.
Oh yes, right.
It's so funny, I'm just not sure what I'm doing. But it's the older generation. Getting through that crowd was crazy, but I made it on time. These are cool. These are workmen glasses. So I walked in there and it was light. I walked out and it was dark. It took me an hour. But the good news is my eyes are good, so I'm happy. At first it was hard to choose, but I think I'm going with these. Too open for winter, not really my style. So these it is. Shopping in Primark is no joke, it gets hot in here. it's busy. It's the worst time of year to go shopping. Can't wait to get out, to be honest. Oh my gosh, fresh air. But anyway, I've got to go into Boots and I've got to call my sister, so give me a minute and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm getting this because I don't want my makeup to transfer to my clothes. Oh, I had to get away from that music. I do not want to get copyrighted. I was told that this is perfect by my sister and by the makeup artist that works here in Boots. So, mix and we shall see if my makeup transfers to my clothes, if it rubs, if it just goes anywhere. So anyway, this is what I'm getting. I was told, thanks Samantha, to go to MAC, but I don't have a clue where MAC is and I can't be like traipsing around looking for it in Nottingham. So this is what I'm getting and I'll let you know if it works. So cheers to the start of the Christmas season. I think that is absolutely beautiful. And there's a tiny Christmas tree. I saw so much more. I saw so much more when I was in town shopping. But oh my gosh. Shopping at Christmas time is a nightmare. Oh my gosh. Let me get off this loud road and I will give you a rundown. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's a bit quieter. So, remember, yeah, I had my appointment. It was 3:15 p.m. I didn't get out of there until 4:15 p.m. My eyes took an hour, but I found my glasses, so I'm looking forward to getting those. And then, what did I do after that? Oh, I went to Poundland because I had to buy batteries. Like, I like getting my batteries, my AA batteries from there. What else did I get? Oh, I got a Tony Braxton album. So when I'm driving to work this week, I'm going to put that in. Listen to some Tony Braxton from way back in the day. What else? Oh, then I went to Primark. But, in fact, getting through the centre, oh my goodness, because they've got the Christmas fair, market, whatever, it was just ram-packed. I couldn't even like show you the rides and all the festival stuff because it was just crazy. Like, it was worse than Carnival actually, and I filmed in Carnival. And then, yeah, Primark, oh my gosh, it's just bad, and it gets hot in there, it gets sticky, I kind of feel like I was a bit claustrophobic. And how do you like bend down to put shoes on when there's no space for you to even like bend down? But I found a pair of shoes because I'm thinking like we're going out, it's like a rave at brunch. What is it? I forgot what it's called. But anyway, so I'm like, I don't want to be raving or even walking in the winter with like my feet out. So I need shoes that my feet are going to be warm in, but then it has to match my outfit. So I had it's like, what do I do kind of moment. So then I had like 3 different pairs that I was trying to try on, and then I managed to choose one. So I showed you those, and I like how shiny they are, and it means I can wear them with with silver and gold, and my outfit has silver anyway, so that's cool. And then what did I do? Oh yeah, I went to Boots because I had to get that makeup thing. And you guys know I don't wear makeup, but oh my gosh, I had to get that setting spray thing because makeup goes in your clothes, and I just got new items of clothing to wear out. And you have to wear makeup when you go out. You don't have to, but I have to. I'm trying to be a bit more ladylike as I get older and approach my 30s. So I don't want it to ruin my clothes, especially when you just bought something new. So set in spray it is, and I chose NYX because I didn't know where the MAC is in Nottingham. If I was in London, it would have just been like around the corner probably, but yeah. So now I am taking my little self home to go and get something to eat. I thought I would have been home much earlier, but nope, it's 6 o'clock. So anyway, I'm gonna get something to eat and just chill. And to be honest, you guys are gonna see me again soon. I'll be in London next weekend. So yeah, I'll take you along with me, and it won't be so long. I felt bad. Look at this house. I wonder if they got stuff like in the garden, little ornaments. Let's see if I can go and look. Kind of. I'm not having none of that. I never have that. Not even when I'm in Florida. And Floridians love to decorate. Oh my gosh, Canada loves to decorate. But I'm not doing any of that. So anyway, since we're talking about Christmas, go and watch my Christmas tag. Me and my sister, you can watch us putting our Christmas tree up. You can watch the food that we made. It's getting dark now. I don't even know if you can see me on my black skin. But anyway, oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching. And I've got a bag, so I can't even do my thing. Have a good day wherever you are from Sophisticated K. I missed you. I hope you missed me too.
Keep on, keeping on, ooh yeah. Ain't nobody take my pride, ain't nobody hold me down, oh no, gotta keep it moving, nothing to it.